Welcome to JRMSweeps. I'm going to show you guys really quickly here how to change out this rear ABS wheel speed sensor. So I'm at the back of the vehicle. You're going to look right here for this guy. To remove the wire harness here, take you a flat head and simply just put it back behind where this red tab is. You're just going to kind of work that back and forth. We have the wire connector removed. You can see right here we're going to remove this bolt. It's an 8mm bolt. Okay, we have the bolt removed, so we're ready to remove the sensor. All we're going to do is just put this guy back in, put the bolt in, connect the wiring connector. We're good to go. Thanks for watching.